You all know that Turkey is one of the best countries to visit if you're a tourist and you want to go for a sightseeing, for a vacation with your family. Trust me, choose Turkey first and you are not going to regret any of that decision or choice, okay? So on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys and telling you guys 10 interesting places you can visit when you come to Turkey, okay? 10 interesting, fun and beautiful places that you have to choose and you must go when you come to Turkey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel. Welcome back to another interesting vlog. So guys, the first and foremost is Cappadocia, okay? I don't know if it's Cappadocia or Cappadocia, okay? Anyone, yeah, but I will be leaving the spelling on the screen. So Cappadocia region was formed 60 million years ago by erosion of soft layers of lava and ash, okay? So this is a beautiful place which I know, and it's not which I know mostly foreigners, tourists, if you are for vacation, trust me, come here and you're going to enjoy every bit of this amazing place, okay? You can see the hot balloons. They said these hot balloons, like it has time for you to enjoy it. Like the best time to go to Cappadocia is from the end of April to June and September and October. During this month, the days are warm, the nights are cool, and there is a little hit of rain. During the first few weeks of April, there can be lots of wind which cancels balloon flights, okay? So I think it's best for you to go there during summer, okay, like summer vacation. So have this place in mind to go and have fun, okay? So another interesting place to visit when you come to Istanbul, Turkey is the GALATA Tower, okay? It's built as a watchtower at the highest point of the walls of GALATA. The tower is now an exhibition space and also serves as a museum. Like people come there, foreigners, tourists, they come there. Like you pay, like I think it's 100 lira. 100 lira is like $12 per person for you to go up there. Like up there they have a restaurant. I've not been there, but I'm going to go there and give you guys a tour and a beautiful tour of it, okay? Up there you have a beautiful restaurant that you can relax, or you come out there, as you can see, as you are seeing people up there having a very good view of the city, like Istanbul city. Seeing, you know, when you are at the town, when you are at the top, of course it's going to be an amazing view, okay? So it's an amazing place to also visit. And I think this building is old. I think it's about 46 or 47 years old and still very strong. The structure is also so attractive, okay? So I think this is an interesting place for you to visit when you come to Istanbul. So another interesting place to visit when you come to Istanbul, Turkey is Istanbul Grand Bazaar, okay? Grand Bazaar is a place which keeps lots of vanishing professions alive with their unique culture. It is the world's oldest, biggest bazaar where the most variable products are exhibited, okay? Like this market is, I'm planning to go there and give you guys a good tour of what it looks like. If you have watched facts about Turkey, when I mentioned it, when I uploaded it on my channel, you know that I mentioned something like Istanbul Grand Bazaar as one of the biggest shopping market in the whole world, okay? It's so, like, I don't think if you come to Istanbul for shopping and you not go there, of course you go there to get so many amazing stuff. Just try and put it in mind, have it in mind that you are going to go to Istanbul Grand Bazaar because it's a lot of shopping. If you are coming for vacation, of course you have to have shopping have to be on your list. Make sure you go there, see the amazing structure of the market, how big it is, have a tour, snap pictures and enjoy yourself while shopping, okay? Yeah. So the next one is the Blue Mosque. The Blue Mosque is known as the Blue Mosque because of the blue tiles surrounding the walls of the interior's design. It is big and impressive courtyard, adorned and sophisticated decorations. You will certainly notice a lot of astonishing details in there. Like, this mosque is so beautiful. Like, they took their time to plan, build, like every details there worth saying. Okay, like I heard, I've not been there before. Like, I heard and made the research. It's a place you would love to be, whether Muslim, Islamic or Christian. Okay, so that's another interesting place to visit when you come to Istanbul, Turkey. So another interesting place for you to visit is the Topkapi Palace. Okay, the Topkapi Palace was walled off from the city to provide security and privacy. Okay, each courtyard served as a different purpose and was separated by a gate that provided security. The third and fourth courtyards were considered private areas. So this Topkapi Palace is also a beautiful place to visit. Okay, it's also an amazing and interesting place to visit, because I had some of the ancient movies were filmed there, and I can't remember their names. Okay, but I had, with the research I made, some of the movies that we know, like popular movies that we know, we are filmed at that palace. Okay, so it's another interesting place to visit when you come to Istanbul, Turkey. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying every bit of this video. All right. So the next one is the Sophia Palace. The Sophia Palace was built as a Christian cathedral, but it was converted to a Muslim mosque in 1453 after Turkey was converted into a Muslim country. Like, I just love somehow a bit. I just love the history behind this mosque, because after they converted it to a mosque, they did not remove the structure of Virgin Mary. You can see the beds, like some structures of our Christian that identify Christianity. You are still going to see it in the mosques. They did not remove it, they did not cover it, they still left it there after converting it into a mosque. Okay, they still respected our Christian religion. Okay, so I'm hoping on going there and giving you guys a good and a beautiful tour of this magnificent building, okay, or structure. I don't know which word to use for it. Okay, so it was meant to be a cathedral, a Christian Catholic cathedral, but later converted into a mosque, because as we all know, Turkey is a Muslim country. Okay, so that is the history behind. I'm still going to make more research about it. Okay, because I heard there was a little war when it was destroyed, and before they converted it to a mosque. Okay, so that is it. So it is a beautiful place for you to come and visit, and hear all the interesting stories behind it, the beautiful structures. You can see how people are trooping in and out of the mosques. Okay, because of the beautiful, and you can see the structure of our Virgin Mary carrying Jesus. That was what I was saying, that it wasn't wiped out. Okay, they still respected our religion there. Okay, so that is it. So the next one is like very exciting for me. The next one is TAKSIM Square. Of course, if you are an OG on this channel, you know that this is not the first time I'm mentioning TAKSIM Square. Okay, I've been there, I've given you guys a tour. If you want to watch the video, of course you will love it. Go ahead and scroll down to my videos. You're going to see it, or I will link it on this particular video. Okay, so Taksim Square is another interesting place you have to visit when you come to Turkey. I don't think there is any tourist or any foreigner that have not been to Taksim Square. Like, it's one of the most popular place you have to visit when you come to Istanbul, Turkey, with a lot of interesting activities going on there. I don't have to talk much about Taksim Square. Just go to that video on my channel and you enjoy every bit of what you're going to see there. Okay, yeah. So another interesting and educative place again to visit when you come to Istanbul, Turkey, is Istanbul Museum of Modern Art. Okay, it's said to be founded in 2004 as Turkey's first museum of modern and contemporary arts, committed to sharing Turkey's artistic creativity and cultural identity with the local and international arts. This is an interesting place to visit. If you're a fan of art and creativity, sure, try and visit here when you come to Istanbul, Turkey, because you're going to see a lot of beautiful structures, like, yeah, interesting structures for you to be inspired, have ideas of what is happening around the world. Okay, as you can see, it's filled up with so many beautiful structures, arts and works of human. Okay, so that is another interesting place for you to visit in Istanbul, Turkey. I hope you guys are enjoying every bit of this video. Please don't forget to give us a massive thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you have not, and also turn on your bell notification so you will not be missing any of our interesting content like this. Okay, and if I have any interesting place for you to visit when you come to Turkey that I did not mention here, and I get idea of it later, I'm still going to share to us. Okay, because we keep learning and discovering every day. So I hope you are enjoying every bit of this video. So the next one is Bosphorus cruise. I think that's how they call it, Bosphorus cruise. So the Bosphorus dinner cruise is an ideal night out for first time visitors to Istanbul, you see. So as a tourist, as a foreigner, if this is the first time on Istanbul, this is a sure interesting place for you to visit. Dinner is provided with views of Istanbul's stunning skyline. As you can see, people on the boat, on the ship, with music, having a good time. Some people even plan their engagement. Some people also arrange their wedding ceremony there, their wedding reception there, something like that, you know, with the sea around, like with the beautiful nature. The sky is going to be blue, and at times during the night, I think people enjoy it mostly at night because of the beautiful skyline, you know, the beautiful sky, how like the beautiful sun. I don't know how to, I think you people will be seeing most of the pictures and videos on my screen. Okay, so you understand how beautiful and how interesting that place is. Okay, it's mostly like a romantic date, dinner, if you are out or if you're on vacation with your partner or your loved ones, you know, you want them to feel loved, you know, something like that. Hey, good, then bring them to Bosphorus cruise. Okay, and make sure you go on a boat ride. Trust me, you're going to enjoy with the Turkish music and the beautiful sea that is going to be flowing around you. Okay, so fam, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed every bit of it. Please subscribe, turn on your bell notification, give this video a massive thumbs up, share out if you can, and I hope you guys enjoyed every bit of it. Tell me if you're going to be visiting or coming for vacation with your family in Turkey soon. Okay, I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye bye.